Okay, folks, we're going to get started here on the crowd today. So within today's lecture, we're going to be starting the first of several discussions of issues having to do with testing and quality assurance in building your software. This content today is going to interface directly with an element of the lab that many of you will be undertaking today. And you'll particularly find the discussion of test scaffolds helpful. For those who have access to the Moodle site right now, you might want to go and get a file on there. This is a .cc file that I posted, which is an example of a test scaffold, a test harness, like I'm asking you to create within the lab. Someone pointed out at the close of class yesterday, and there was follow-up email. There were follow-up emails to the effect that the lab had correctly indicated that the due date for that lab is this Saturday, just before midnight. There apparently was a glitch on Moodle. Presumably I made an error in indicating it, which mistakenly said that this week's lab is due the 19th. This week's lab, as I announced last time, is not due the 19th, it's due this Saturday. So that's the 12th, just before midnight, okay? I did correct the information on Moodle and apologize for any confusion or inconvenience that might have caused, but there's still plenty of time to undertake and finish the lab. Just be sure to get it in by this Saturday, because the markers will need to start working on it more or less immediately. Okay? So that's just sort of a bit of administrivia. Okay, so today's class we're going to be going into some issues with testing. I'm going to be